Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is bringing you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone won't accept a PIN. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My phone won't unlock, it keeps prompting for a PIN. But even after entering the PIN, it's not recognized and I can't unlock the phone. After I enter the PIN, it just doesn't respond or the screen goes black. How can I fix the phone not accepting the correct PIN? We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you want to know if your Android phone will not accept the correct PIN, don't panic. To save you, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Temporary malfunction. The solution is to restart the device. The problem of an Android phone not accepting the correct PIN may be caused by a temporary malfunction, which may affect the unlocking function of the Android device. To clear temporary issues, first try restarting your device. Restarting can clear temporary malfunctions in the system and may resolve the problem. To restart your Android phone, press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon and wait for the restart to complete. After restarting, check again to see if the phone is working normally. Cause 2. Unable to restart. The solution is to perform a power cycle. Some Android phones may require you to enter a PIN to restart. If your Android phone does not accept the correct PIN, this means you cannot restart your Android phone. Don't worry, you can also try performing a power cycle. You need to do this: place your phone in a dry place and wait for the battery to drain completely, then charge the phone and turn it on. Finally, re-enter the PIN to see if the Android phone not accepting the correct PIN problem is resolved. Cause 3. Virus. The solution is to reset and clear the PIN. If the above two methods fail to fix the PIN not working on Android phone issue, then your only remaining solution is to reset the PIN to clear it. If your Android device is attacked or infected with a virus, it may also cause the Android phone not recognizing the correct PIN problem. To resolve this issue, try resetting your Android device. However, resetting will erase all data on your phone. Therefore, if you need any data on your phone, please back it up before resetting, otherwise everything will be lost. Next, please follow these steps to reset your Android device. Open your phone's settings, scroll down to find and select System and Updates, select Reset on the new screen, and finally select Reset Phone. After the reset is complete, your Android device may ask you to reactivate the phone. Please follow the prompts. Finally, the Android phone is not accepting correct PIN problem will disappear, and you can use your phone normally. Cause 4. Unknown fault. The solution is to get help from a service center. If resetting the device doesn't work, you can consider hardware or other issues. Resetting usually solves most software problems. If it doesn't help, please take your Android device to an authorized service center for further troubleshooting and to fix the Android phone is not accepting PIN problem. During this time, you can ask the service center staff for causes, prevention, and solutions. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you Android phone doesn't recognize the correct PIN fix issue, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.